Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video I want to show you how to install Git on Windows 11 step by step. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, Git is an essential tool for version control. Let's get started. First, let us quickly talk about what Git is. Well, Git is a free open source version control system that helps you track changes in your code and collaborate with other developers. It's widely used in the software industry. Alright, so let us see how to download and install latest version of Git on Windows 11. So open the browser. So here I have opened Chrome browser. You can use any browser that you want. In a new tab, just type download Git, hit enter and go ahead and click on the first link. This will navigate to the downloads page of official Git website. And here you can see the different operating systems, Mac OS, Windows, Linux. We are going to install Git on Windows. So go ahead and click on Windows over here. Here you can see different options. If you are using Windows 32-bit, then you can use this installer. If you are using Windows 64-bit machine, then you can use this installer. So we are going to install the Git for Windows 11 64-bit machine. So here just click on this 64-bit Git for Windows setup link. This will download the exe file. So here you can see the exe file is started downloading. It is around 66 MB. So let us wait a second to complete the download. Well, notice here download is completed. Let's open this exe file in a folder and here just double click on this exe file and here let me minimize this. Alright, next go ahead and click on the next button over here. Next we need to select the destination location. So let us keep this default location as it is. If you want to change, you can use this browse button. Next you can see the disk space required for this installation, 344 MB. Next go ahead and click on next button and here let us keep the default selected components as it is. Next click on next button. Next select start menu folder. So let us keep the default name as it is. If you don't want to create a start menu folder, then you can just tick mark it. We want a start menu folder, so let us keep this name and click on next button and here use VMI as a Git's default editor. So if you want to change, you can just click on this drop down and you can select the editor accordingly. Okay, if you want to use Notepad++, then you can select this. If you want to use VS Code, then you can select this. If you want to use Sublime Text, you can select this. So here I am going to use the Notepad++ as a default Git editor. If you want VS Code, you can also select VS Code. Okay, next go ahead and click on next button over here and let us keep this default selected as it is. Next click on next and here this is a recommended, so let us keep selected as it is. Next click on next. Use bundled OpenSSH. We want a secure connection, let us keep selected as it is. Next click on next and click on next. Let us keep selected as it is. Next and then click next. Keep everything default as it is and here Git credential manager, so let us keep as selected. Click on next. Enable file system caching, yes. Next click on install. So the installation is begin. It will take a couple of seconds. So most of the time we use the default settings. Alright, setup has finished installing Git on your computer. Next just untick this and click on finish. Next, in order to verify whether the Git is successfully installed on Windows 11 machine, we can check the Git version from the command prompt. So go to the search menu and here just search for command prompt. So just type cmd and then choose command prompt and here just type the command git --version and hit enter and there we go, Git version 2.41.1. It means we have successfully installed Git on our Windows 11 machine. Alright, great. I will see you in the next video.